So this is Jessie and Ned hanging out in the morning. Yeah. Hello. Say hi, Ned. Hi. Not sure what this is all about. Hi. Oh, hiccups. Hiccups? Yeah. Hiccups. I get the hiccups almost every day. Uh-oh. Oh no. I'm very good natured about it usually.